Hi, my name is Cantry Smith, and I am a work-at-home mother of one. I've been working from home part-time since 2003 and full-time since 2008. I remember when I worked my past jobs how much money I would pay into taxes every single paycheck. And I was one who actually would select the option to have more taxes taken out throughout the year. I figured that this was a way to guarantee that I would actually have a tax return, the next year. Every year I did get back a tax return, but it was very disappointing to see that all of my hard work, all of that sweat and tears had amounted to such a small tax return, and how much I actually had to suffer throughout the year having so many taxes being taken out of each paycheck. I knew that there had to be a better way than what was going on for me. I was so frustrated with being either afraid that I would have more taxes taken out of my paycheck and either having a smaller tax return or actually having to pay the IRS some money, which would have been pretty worse. I bet you're just like how I was about 7 years ago, not knowing that you can actually increase your tax return just by simply working from home. Now, claiming tax deductions for an office in your home is one of the benefits enjoyed by many home based business operators. If you didn't know, the IRS has no more tax shelters for us anymore. A home office deduction, which is earned by working a business from home, is pretty much the only one left. Now, did you know that there are actually items that you can get 100% deduction on? The items that directly benefit your home office are 100% deductible. Items such as desks, files, chairs, bookshelves, office supplies, computer equipment, telephone equipment, lamps, decor, caller ID box, fax, paper, pens, and etc. All of these are 100% deductible. Now, there are also items that indirectly benefit your home office, which are actually able to be deducted based on your percentage figure for your home office space. Now, one of the first thing is your home mortgage interest and real estate taxes. Those are fully deductible regardless of income or loss that is shown before these deductions. Then you have home insurance, mortgage insurance, your minor landscaping, your repairs and maintenance that you do, such as having flowers, plants, shrubs, a mailbox, a P.O. box, light bulbs, doorknobs, household tools, your trash and garbage bill, grass cutting, etc. Those kind of things. Also, rent, depreciation, utility bills like your gas, your electric, or your oil bill. Your sewer and water are also deductible to the extent that they do not increase a loss or create a loss for your business. Now, the next thing that I was excited about was car mileage. It's also another major deduction. Just think about it. You already or have already wasted driving to and from your job. And were you ever able to write off that mileage that you've been driving back and forth with? No, you weren't. I know I wasn't. Just about every 3 miles that you drove, you were basically throwing about $1 out the window or more by not owning a home business. But guess what? You can now write mileage off on your taxes. If you're doing things outside of the home for the company you're working from home for and it requires driving, you can write that mileage off as well. Now, you're already paying your rent, your mortgage, you're already using electric, gas, your phone, your computer, your internet, your cell phone. You're also already having these repairs done, maintenance done to the house. You already go on vacation and so many other things. Why not be able to use them and write them off with your taxes? You know, the average person saves $2,500 to $5,000 per year by owning a home business. I personally saw an increase of $5,000 with my 2009 tax return because I work with the company that I own a home business with. I would not have received these things working an outside job basically. Not that huge. I actually did my tax return separate and saw that it would have been about $1,300 just without the business. Now, again, you're already doing these things. Why not capitalize on the money waiting on you at the IRS? Just think about it. In terms of your current job, your current situation, or a job in general, how long would it take you to earn an extra $5,000 a year? It would actually take a minimum of $12.50 per hour all year long, working 10 hours a week. Plus, keep in mind that they're going to take taxes out of that. So now if you would like to learn more about home office deductions, please visit www.eliminationoftaxationfrustration.com. Again, that's www.eliminationoftaxationfrustration.com. This is Steve Spangenberg. He is a talented CPA who specializes in home office deductions. I use him a lot. He's an awesome guy. I learned a lot from him. Please let him know that I referred you. And my name again is Cantry Smith. Now, if you're like the many other hundreds of thousands of people who are wondering, how can I take advantage of these home office deductions that you're talking about? Well, you can contact me directly at 804-269-0822 or toll free at 877-342-4368. You can also visit my website at www.aphomecareers.info. Again, it's www.aphomecareers.info. Thank you so much for listening, and I hope to help you and many others take advantage of these home office deductions. Have a blessed day.